Welcome to Options Center. It is Tuesday. Turnaround Tuesday? Perhaps. 4/20/21. Welcome, everybody. Hope everybody had a great night. We're getting started here. We're going to do our game plan for today as usual. Go through the ES on multiple time frames, and we're going to check out a couple trade ideas. I think we might as well go through the same plan as yesterday, just so we can stay on the same track. So let's go ahead and do it. First, go down to the bottom right-hand corner, hit the Options Center logo, and subscribe. Also, hit the notification so you can receive these every morning, every evening, and on the weekend. All right, so let's get into it. We have the ES on the monthly. We have a huge Mariposa candle. Everything is bullish, a little bit heated. At the 72 on the RSI, pulled back just a little bit. Going to the weekly, and we do this every single day just so we can have a bird's eye view of what's happening. It helps us get in the right mind frame when we're going into a trading day. So we have the weekly candle. We're in an inside week at this point. Headed down just a little bit, nothing serious, but we came out of the overbought area. We still are bullish on the MACD. Overall, the MAs, bullish, bullish, bullish. Now, and the daily trend is our friend. You see we had a little bit of a reversal. We are starting to trend downward just a little bit, but we're right at that 8 MA. So that's the key. We are bullish until proven otherwise. We have played to the downside, at least for this correction, but this is a big area. So we want to see, are we going to hold this 8 MA? Or are we looking for a little bit more of a pullback? It's hard to tell. I think we're going to come back down a little bit more, but this is a really bullish market, so we'll see. We are in Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, and I think that we're starting wave 4. If not, we're going to move up a little bit more to start wave 4. That will be in the minute waves. You see the 1, 2 is very shallow for that wave 2. So we're looking for, the rule of alternation. We're looking for a wave 4 to be somewhat more impulsive, bigger, the opposite of what happens on wave 2. So we should be able to tell, pretty soon. So keep an eye on that. MACD has not crossed over. We're coming out of the overheated area in the RSI. Let's go down to 65 so we can get down to nitty gritty. All right, we started to dump overnight. We are in a channel downtrend. Not sure. I can't really get a count here yet. We're going to let things unfold. You could have a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, some sort of like beginning flat. Either way, I don't think the correction's over. We're looking for an ABC correction. So we still have the support down. Well, we have channel support now, but we do have the weekly support coinciding with the expected move for the week. So we are starting to get a little overheated on the RSI, a little oversold, but the momentum's still down. Let's check out NQ. All right, NQ also is bouncing right around the support area. They seem to get somewhat of a wave, like a 5 count in here. Not too dissimilar from the ES. Same conditions. We're just going to have to watch and see if support holds. RTY. Small caps. We just know this one broke down from the area. We're at support now, so let's see what happens. We're just kind of going sideways for a long time, but it seems this head and shoulders is kind of playing out. We have left shoulder, head, right shoulder. It seems to be playing out right now. Let's see if we can get some continuation. All right, let's see what the bonds are doing. The bonds now. I said this might be a bear flag. Well, we'll see how this plays out, because we might have a little bull flag in here, which is going to be a tailwind for the for tech. So it looks like we bounced off of a channel, maybe a flag, and maybe a move higher. We'll see. We're not going to anticipate this. We're just viewers. We're just watching. So down to the VIX futures. We did get a 5-wave move. We didn't cross that 4 over the 1, so this is still valid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and maybe a correction today, which means the market might get a bounce for today. And BTC. BTC is definitely bouncing right now. Not sure how significant it's going to be. We have 1, 2, 3, maybe a 5 wave down here. Get an ABC correction and then another 5 waves down. That's what I'll be looking for. Yeah, because we just broke down. We're maybe back testing and then headed back down. All right, so we had a trade request, and we're gonna look over Tsla real quick. So let's do the trade request. Nucor, NUE, old school name. Looks like it's been consolidating here for quite some time. We are about to hit the trend line, and it looks like a wave 4, maybe triangle. We had this in ES not too long ago. Pretty frustrating. But maybe when it gets to this trend line here, we're looking for another wave up. Let's go to the daily so we can get a bigger view of this. Holding that trend, looks like the wave 4 and maybe another wave up. Seeing how this might be the last wave up before earnings, because we have we would create like a divergence if we move up today. We're right on that trend line, so we might get a move into today. Tsla. All right, Tsla from the daily view first. I do plan on Tsla coming down pretty hard, but we might have to go with wave 1, maybe a bounce today and 1 or 2 days, and then start on wave 3. I thought we would have got a little bit more out of this from the get-go. We'll see. I can't predict. We did close underneath the 8 MA, so let's just watch what happens today. Let's go down to the hourly so we can get a better view. In the pre-market, throw on our hourly board, and let's see what kind of so we made almost like an ABC. Maybe we can get a 5 wave out of this, but if it's an ABC, the bullish view is that this is just a correction and we're headed to the upside. This was an ABC, and now we're getting a wave 1 and a wave 2. That would be bullish, but I'm still looking for this just to be some sort of wave 1. Get a correction to wave 2, so I have some Fibonacci lines up here. See if we make it up to like the 50% or 61.8, something like that for wave 2. So this would have to be more of a correction of wave 1, 2, or A, B, C, and then more downside. So we're going to watch this trend line, and I know it's distorted in the pre-market, but there is a downtrend that it's holding at this point, and we'll see where we go from here. All right, thanks for joining us here. Good luck trading. We will talk to you. Oh, head over to the Discord. It's a free Discord, The Option Guys. Now it's the link is down in the description, so please join us, and we'll have some good trade ideas in there, and we'll talk about some of the trades and things that we do in the market close. All right, the market update after the bell. Thanks for joining us.